Hello, welcome to the session of Tally Learning. The concept is transactions, payment, voucher. A payment is a transaction paused to enter all the payments done by the business, either in cash or through the bank. Payment voucher is used in this transaction. The keyboard shortcut is F5, functional key F5. We do have three illustrations. First one is on 7th April 23, business made a payment of rupees 5,000 towards entertainment expenses, void check number 912301 of SBI current account. When you analyze the transaction, the date is 7th April 23, transaction type is payment, voucher to be used is a payment voucher, shortcut is F5, account to be credited SBI, account to be debited entertainment expenses, transaction amount is 5,000, the bank details are SBI current account, check number 912301, voucher type to be used is a double entry. Now go to gateway of Tally, choose the option vouchers, press enter. So you observe here already this is a payment voucher. So you need not to worry, need not to change. But still you can press F5 if you need. The second step is to change the date. Press F2 to change the date. The date of transaction is 7th April 23. Press enter. Next, which account to be debited? As I said, there will be two types of voucher modes in payment. Press Ctrl H, you will see the list. Either it can be a double entry or a single entry. Let us use the double entry. So the account to be debited is entertainment expenses, enter, amount is 5,000, enter, credit, enter. You should choose SBI current account. The credit amount is reflecting, press enter. You are in a bank allocations screen. Go to the instrument number. The instrument number is 912301. 912301. Press enter. Don't change the instrument date. Press enter. Narration. If required, make a narration. Enter. Accept. Let us enter the second illustration. This illustration is dated on 9th April 23. Made a payment of 7,500 towards traveling expenses, 2,500 towards the labor charges. Through the Kotak Bank current account, void check number 512101 and 512102. Here there are two payments. The analysis details are, it is on 9th April 23. Transaction type is payment. Amount to be credited is Kotak Bank current account. Account to be debited traveling expenses and labor charges. The bank is Kotak Bank current account. There are two checks. One is towards the traveling expenses. Another one is towards the labor charges. Mode is, you should use the single mode entry. And there is a note which indicates that you need to create a ledger called labor charges under indirect expenses. So first let us create a ledger. Go back to gateway of Tally, choose the option create, choose the option ledger, press enter, labor charges, press enter, alias blank, press enter, type IN indirect, choose indirect expenses from the list, press enter, press Ctrl A, which retains the default configuration. So labor charge ledger is created. Go back to gateway of Tally. Now let us enter the transaction. Choose the option vouchers, press enter. The voucher type is payment, need not to worry. The transaction date is 9th April 23. Press F2. Change 9th April 23. Enter. Debit. So first, before entering the transaction, you should change the mode of the voucher type. Press Control H. You will get an option. Choose the single entry. Press Enter. From which account the money is going? The money is going from the Kotak Bank current account. Press Enter. The first one, the transaction is traveling expenses. Choose traveling expenses. Enter, which is 7,500. Enter. Second one is labor charges. Enter, 2,500. Press Enter. So there is only two payments. Press Enter. Total amount 10,000. Press Enter. Now you are at the level called bank allocation. Traveling expenses checked. Press Enter. The amount of traveling expenses is 7,500. So you need to change the amount. Press Enter. It is asking you to enter the instrument number 512101. 512101. Enter. Don't change the instrument date. Press Enter. Again you observe the traveling expenses is only reflecting. So press backspace. So you will get the list of ledgers. Choose labor charges. Press Enter. Check. Don't change it. Press Enter. Amount has already changed to 2,500. Press Enter. You are at the instrument number. The number is 512102. Press Enter. Instrument date is 9th April 23. Press Enter. Narration. If required, make a narration. Press Enter. Accept. So let us do the third illustration, which is on 10th April 23. Made a payment of rupees 250 towards water charges from petty cash account. Here the payment is going from the cash account. So, and that analysis says it is on 10th April 23. Payment voucher. Account to be credited is petty cash. Account to be debited is water charges. Transaction is 250 rupees. Bank and check details are not required. Voucher type double entry. So go back to gateway of Tally. So you are in the voucher mode. Payment, which is the voucher we required, but it is in a single entry mode. To change into the double entry, press Control and plus H. Choose double entry. Press Enter. Debit. Which account to be debited? Water charges. Amount is 250. Press Enter. Here you see again it is appearing as a DR. So press type CR. Change it to credit. Press Enter. Choose petty cash account. Amount is captured. Press Enter. If required, make the narration. Press Enter. Accept. Finished. So all the three payment transactions has been completed. Now let us go back to gateway of Tally. You see there is an option called dashboard. Just click on the dashboard. You see it gives you an graphical or a pictorial presentation of the activities. As of now, we are not viewing any payment related here, so it is not reflecting. So just press escape. Now let us observe the total number of transactions happened from the 1st April to till date. For this one, choose the option Daybook. Press Enter. Press Alt F2. Alt F2. 1st April 23. Enter. Clear the to date and press Enter. You see these are the transactions that has happened. Okay, you observe here for the water charges is on 10th April, but I have mentioned it as 9th April. So we have to rectify it. Just press Enter. Here you can change it. 10th APR 23. press enter, just press Ctrl A. Everything remains same and gets saved. Can you see the changes? Now, apart from this, press enter, go to display more reports, press enter, choose accounts books. Here, choose the option payment register, enter, April, enter. All the three payment transactions will appear under the payment register. Press escape and go back to gateway of Tally. These are some of the upcoming training courses: data analysis, Tableau, MS Project, payroll management, Tally Advanced, taxation in Tally. Please follow us on LinkedIn and in YouTube. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.